I was looking online for a modern kitchen island. I've recently built a house and I really wanted to have quite a showstopper island, and I went through quite a lot of websites to try and find one, and then I came across one that caught my eye. My name's Rylan Clark-Neal. I live in Essex. I live with my husband and my stepson, and I'm a TV presenter. Having the kitchen that I've got now, which I've designed with the team at Wren, it's actually changed so much, because you don't realise the first thing I do every single morning when I get out of bed and I can only see out of one eye is I walk down the stairs and I come into the kitchen. It's the first thing I see, it's the first place I go. And the ease of what I want it for of a morning, to make a hot drink, to make breakfast, it just makes life so much easier. And it sets me up for the day in the right way. But that could be the coffee, I don't know. I do lead quite a busy life, but when I'm home, I love to cook. And I did do Celebrity MasterChef a few years ago. I was the runner-up, some people call me the People's Champ, but everyone always bullies me in my family. Whenever they come over, they say, well, you've got to cook, MasterChef, and they sort of take the mick out of me a bit. Over Christmas, all our family came here, and it was our first Christmas in this house, and this is the room where it all happened. And on Christmas night, there was my mum and my mother-in-law singing karaoke, sprawled across the kitchen island, and I'm still trying to shake it out of my head. I went for the Milano Elements range because I really wanted a concrete look to my kitchen. My house is quite industrial. There's a lot of stainless steel, sort of concrete looking floors, and I'm very silver and grey. And the Milano Elements for me was exactly what I wanted. Alexa, turn downstairs on. I had a lovely lady called Michelle that was working with me, and we sat down, we went through all the designs. To actually be in the showroom and physically touch, see, and actually envision what it's going to look like in your house, it was great. And I had a lovely latte while I was there. One of the best things as well is when my family would come and visit the building site that's now known as my house, was the virtual reality version of my kitchen that I had on my phone. I could stand in this room, turn my phone, and see a 3D virtual reality version of what my kitchen was going to look like. After explaining to 40, 50 people what the kitchen's going to look like, I could just hand them my phone and go have a look for yourself. It's really tough to say the favourite part of my kitchen. I love my drinks fridges, because growing up I used to love watching Absolutely Fabulous and always wanted a champagne fridge. I went for the Neff appliances because I had Neff in my old house and I absolutely loved them. And I loved the slide and hide on the ovens. I loved the coffee machine. I also went for the Miele dishwasher, which is knock to open, purely for the fact that I wanted to knock on the dishwasher door and watch it open automatically. But my coffee machine, I think, is the one thing I genuinely couldn't live without. My top tip for anyone that's looking to buy a kitchen would be, don't be me and don't sit indoors online and just keep looking and not actually go and see it. Go into store, feel everything, touch everything, decide if you want gloss, matte, whatever finish you want, see the work surfaces, feel the islands, play with the appliances. For me, it was like being in a kid's playground, but for adults. My kitchen in the house that I've designed is definitely the social hub of my house. It is the centre room. It's the room that everything is built around, and it's got to be a showstopper.